Hi, welcome to question one of the Leaving Cert Ordinary Level 2025 Paper 1. So we'll get stuck in, but if you want a copy of these notes, just send me an email at shanetry@gmail.com. Like and subscribe to get access to more playlists. So part one, now I don't actually know what the marks are yet. The marking scheme isn't out yet, but we'll read through, try it yourself, and see how far you'd get. Sean is buying a power bank and a USB-C cable. Now, part one says one power bank costs €30 before VAT at 23% has been added. Okay. Find the cost of the power bank after VAT has been added. So I'll go on to the answer here. Okay. It's pretty straightforward. So the total cost is equal to the cost plus VAT at 23%. Okay. Now we know that the cost is €30, and we're going to multiply that by 23%, and we could just add on the answer. But I'm going to multiply by 123%. The 100% includes the 30 and the 23% extra on top of it. So just a quicker way of doing the calculation. That gives me a total cost of 36.9. Now we should be expecting the price to be higher. So if you get a lower number, maybe there's a calculation error in what you've done. Now, always worth noting that a percentage is just the number over 100. So 23% is the same thing as 23 over 100, which is the same thing as 0.23, but that's getting into more advanced understanding of percentages, which is something that a lot of people struggle to get. Now, part two there says Sean is going to buy a different power bank that costs €26 and the USB cable that costs €9. Now, straight away, just from the attempt, I can see maybe adding those numbers could be useful. Okay, but we'll see if that's what we need to do. Sean sees a special offer to buy the power bank and USB-C cable together for €28. Work out the percentage discount of this special offer. Okay, so the power bank on its own, it costs 26 plus €9 for the cable. That's a total of €35. We're told that the power bank special deal is 28. So there's a difference there. When I take away those numbers, okay, 35 take away 28, I get €7. So it's €7 cheaper to buy the bundle. Now we're looking to work out what the percentage discount is. And there's a formula for this. Okay, it's the discount over the original times 100. So our discount is 7 over the original was 35. Multiply by 100, and that equals the 20%. Now that can be tricky. I always struggle to remember what to do here. It could be somebody else could decide to go 7 over 28 times 100. And if for some reason you're not sure, write both on the page. A little bit of a trick. Cross out the one you think is least likely, and that should still qualify. You can't do it all the time, but in situations like this, if you don't know what to do when you're trying to maximize your marks, that could be a strategy. Now, part one says Mairead and Diarmuid own a window cleaning business. Mairead can clean a standard window in 9 minutes. Diarmuid can clean a standard window in 12 minutes. Now, part one says Mairead and Diarmuid both start cleaning standard windows at the same time. They both finish cleaning a window at the same time. After how many minutes will this first happen? Now, this is probably a lowest common multiple question. Okay, so Mairead does one in 9 minutes, the second window by 18 minutes, the third window by 27 minutes, the fourth window by 36, and the fifth window by 45. You could keep going with that trend. Diarmuid finishes his first window at 12, his second window at 24, his third window at 36, his fourth at 48. Now we're looking for the lowest common number, okay, and that's 36 minutes. Now part two then says a building has 35 standard windows. Work out how long it will take Mairead and Diarmuid to clean the 35 windows if they work together. So they're cleaning at different rates, so we need to focus in on that. So Mairead cleans one window in 9 minutes. Okay, that's 1/9 of a window per minute. That's the rate she's working at. Now Diarmuid cleans one window in 12 minutes, so he cleans 1/12 of a window per minute. Now adding them together, okay, they can clean 7/36 of a window per minute. Okay, now we know there's 35 windows, so the total number of windows divided by the windows per minute, okay, should give us the time it took them. Okay, now that's probably the trickier part of all this. Doing that calculation, it's kind of weird looking because I have a number divided by a fraction, but the calculator can handle that. Okay, and I got an answer of 180 minutes, which doesn't seem outrageous. That's 2 hours, no, it's 3 hours, to clean 35 windows. So fair play. And that's it. So that's the end of question one. Like and subscribe to get access to more playlists. And if you want to copy these notes, just send an email to shanetroy@gmail.com. Best of luck.